Hi, it's Bob Zador from the Mountain Home Chamber of Commerce, and we couldn't be more happy to be here with Little Bees. Brian, introduce yourself. Tell the people that are watching a little bit about you.
I'm Brian Littleton. Moved here 5 years ago, my wife and I, to retire, and darn if we didn't get back in the restaurant business. But we were out at Norfolk for 3.5 years, 50 seats, outgrew it, had the opportunity to move up here to this location. We seat 158, so we're 3 times bigger, and we can take a lot better care of our customers. We have a very diverse menu. We specialize primarily in Southwest food, but we have a good steak. We got chicken fried steak, great hamburgers, got about anything you'd want. I've got a great crew, great team assembled. A lot of them been in the food business a long time. 5, 6 came with me from Norfolk up here, so we got really good servers, good kitchen. We had the opportunity to hire Gabriel Fernandez. He's been in this area for 20 plus years, managed at a local restaurant, and moved back from Kansas, and we hired him, had the opportunity to hire him. So he's going to be our general manager. As me and my wife ease out of here, you know, a little bit, we'll still be here a lot, but that's kind of the plan, you know. But anyway, I've been doing it a long time. This is the 65th restaurant that I've opened up, and we're happy to be in Mountain Home. I don't think there's any better place, as far as I'm concerned, to live. I've always wanted to move up here. Said when I had an opportunity to retire, I was going to move here, and we moved here from Texas. So I love to trout fish. My wife loves the hikes and the trails, and she's a master naturalist and does a lot of volunteer work for that. And so we're just happy to be part of the community and be able to offer a good product and good service to our patrons.
Yes, indeed. I got nothing after all of that. I think you did a great job. So let's cut the ribbon.
All right. Hey! All right.